How to add EBT card to Sam's Club? Well, so first of all, you have to visit a store, at a physical store. It is always available in your nearest location, so you can just visit there by using their website or application. Now you have to select EBT eligible items, right? Shop for items that are eligible for purchase with EBT. This typically includes food and grocery items. Note that non-food items such as household supplies or electronics are not eligible for purchase with EBT. Right? Once you have selected all your items, proceed to the checkout counter. Inform the cashier that you want to pay with your EBT card. Now here, swipe your EBT card through the card reader, enter your 4-digit PIN to complete the transaction. Confirm the amount being charged to your EBT card and complete the transaction. So it's exactly like how you do with your credit as well as your debit card. This is how you can just use it. But there are some of the eligibility criteria that you can purchase some of the particular products with this card. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.